My experience at North Country Community College has been nothing but an amazing experience and a great tool to help me build for the future. What brought me to this college was when I was 16. My grandfather told me that it was a beautiful place and that he thinks I'd love it. My grandpa was 100% right.
The best thing is the environment. The environment is amazing. People out here are very helpful and I enjoy being here every single day. It felt like home in a certain way. This is a very good group of guys and very different types of talents from different cultures. I'm learning more and more every single day with these guys, every single day, and it's amazing. The journey is amazing and I'm loving it now and I'm gonna keep loving it until the season's over, and even after the season, keep it going.
It's amazing to be able to be outside and to have like a hands-on learning environment and to be at one with nature and to learn through the outdoors, through the experiences has been amazing. And the things that you learn in the field, hands-on, there's no other experience like that.
Just being part of the team and part of the family. And I can go to any of my teammates for everything. Here at North Country, you get a real one-on-one kind of teaching with you and the teachers. Every teacher knows every person in that class by name. It's very close contact. The teachers will always help you whenever you're stuck, whenever you need help. If you ever need to take time off soccer to go and study or just time for academics, that's always an option. You can always do that because academics is first.
My time at North Country has been an absolute whirlwind of joy and fun, and I mean that. My classes have been exactly what I want. I've been able to feel more connected to my community. It's been exactly what I needed at this time in my life. We did a lot of classroom learning on various aspects of what it's like to work as a team. It gives us the chance to really get the experience of what it's going to be like when we're leading groups of our own out in the wilderness.
My experience at North Country Community College is an adventure. Everybody's a little bit closer and you get to know people a little bit more. So it's nice because it's not just like going to school with thousands of different people that you don't know.
It's a really great atmosphere here. Even though you're not family, everyone knows each other and it's really great. And you can trust everybody here and everyone's your friend.
Everything's simple life, and very cozy living as well. Everything's walking distance around here. Campus, gym. You create friendships as well with your dorm mates. Keeps you focused, you have your own privacy.
You gotta have your own room, which means you can close the door, have a little bit of space to yourself, but then you also have this nice common area where you guys can all get to know each other, hang out, watch some TV, play some games.
So in this space, we got the ping pong table, so we have a lot of students just coming in, playing ping pong, having tournaments. Over here we have the lounge area, which is, you can play the Xbox, PS4. It's a nice place to relax and just have a peace of mind.
Contact us today to request more information or visit one of our 3 campuses in Malone, Ticonderoga, or Saranac Lake. nccc.edu. Reach higher. Own your future.